So in this video, we'll add the plans to our website. So first I will go to ChatGPT. Then I will enter the give me migration for plans, migration file for plans table, and Laravel for CRM system. Let's make it a SAAS CRM system. Okay, so basically the name, description, then price, currency, interval, trial period dates. Okay, so this they have given, so we can use this things. So I will just copy this, and before that I will create so PHP artisan make model plan, and then just migration. I will not create controller or something like that for now. Then I will just close all these things. In migrations for plan, I will paste it here. So name will be there, description will be there, price will be there, currency will be there. Then currency will need it or not, so let it be there. And then integer interval. Okay, so this plan might be for 30 days or something like that, days, weeks, months, so we can do that. Then trial period dates will be there. Okay, then basically we can add features and all these things, and as we have seen in last video, basically then we can add means pivot table and all these things that we'll do later. So I will just save this one. Then I will go to this plan. We'll just create some plans, and that will be there for so many days. If there is any change or something, we can do that. So we can create a seeder for these things. So I will just ask ChatGPT create seeder for plans with okay, let's see what it gives, and then we'll make changes. Create seeder for plans. So basically it has given PHP artisan make seeder, plan seeder. In plan seeder, basically basic plan and pro plan, it adding 2 plans. So let's add this 2 plans only. So I will just copy this code, I will paste it here. Then seeder, plan seeder created. So seeders, basically if you want to add some data to our models or to our database, then we can use this. So running this command, this data will be added to the database. So I will go to the database, seeders, plan seeder. Okay, and here I will add this one. So plan create. Okay, and then basically we are adding this model. So this plan, so this plan will create basic plan. This is basic plan for starters, USD, and price they have created. So I will just save this one, and then if I run this PHP artisan db plan seeder, so it will run. And before that, right now ID will not be there, other than all these things will be this ID cannot be fillable, other things will be variable. So protected, dollar, carded, then array ID, save this thing. Okay, so now I can run this command. So paste PHP artisan db plan seeder. Before that I will have to migrate the database. So I will run php artisan migrate. So plans table created, then paste. I will run this seed. So seeding database. So it hasn't shown that message. Okay, let it be seeding database done. Now I can check the database if this data is added or not. So I will just go into MySQL. So select, so database is next sync dot, and what is this table name? Plans. Select star from plans. Let us see what data is added. Okay, data is added. So I will just exit it, clear these things. So now we can show these two plans on our front-end homepage. So I will just ask ChatGPT, give me HTML using Tailwind. Okay. Rather than HTML, give me section for plans and pricing with the above tables. Give me section for plans and pricing with the above tables. Use Tailwind CSS. Let's see what it gives, and then we'll see. Okay, route gate. So app plans for return view plans, compact plans, and it passing that particular plans. Then basically there is this section. Okay, so I will just copy this section. We need this one, and then for now I will directly pass that plans and all these things. So we'll see, the welcome is directly getting called. So routes web, here we are calling this welcome. So I will just do these things right now here. We'll change this to livewire component in next videos. So plans app models slash plans plan, then all, then I will pass this compact plans. Then basically we'll use this one. So I will just copy this. I will go to the welcome.blade.php resources views, welcome.blade.php. Here I will add that. I will remove this end section, this section end section. This is the old syntax, means it still can be used, but I don't prefer that. I use component x hyphen and all these things. So I will just save this. So plan will comes here, and this, let's see how it looks. We'll see. Okay, so right now this is looking like this. So choose a plan, flexible pricing, pick a plan that fits your needs. So basic plan, pro plan. So here this height is not matching. Actually the trial period, it's for different for both things. So I will add trial period here too. Okay, then height will match. Otherwise there is option to use means do some changes using Tailwind CSS, but I will prefer key this lines and everything should match. That will be good. Okay, and we can add one more plan. So basic plan, pro plan, and I will just add, so 3 plan will look good. So name basic, pro, and right now I'm giving advanced. We'll check this names, which name will be good, but right now I'll just give one this name. So 49, so 29, 49, and this will be 79. Okay, interval same 30 days, let it be. Trial period same, let it be. Okay, now I will do one thing, PHP artisan migrate rollback, it will delete that particular table. Then again I will do migrate, I will just rerun this cedar. Okay, now I'll see, refresh. So now flexible pricing, pick a plan that fits in it, basic, pro, advanced. Okay, so we have these plans. Okay, then whenever so basically now I will have to make sure, means basically we'll create some live wire models and all these things. Using that I will add this particular plans, and whenever someone select this plan, then basically we can show that wizard like structure, or basically there will be steps where you select your plan, then you add your business detail, and then you add user detail, and then basically everything validate, then accounts will be created, and basically then we can make the payments for this particular plans and all these things that will be integrated. So we'll work on that from onwards, so we'll see that in next videos. Okay, so for this video this is it. So we have added this plans and we have shown this on this home page, and basically the design is also pretty good, not bad. And basically we will make changes to our UI and all these things for this home page, means guest layout, or also the dashboard layout, and all these things. We'll make that changes in future.